So what do you think?
Really cool.
Because we're right there.
I think he's hurt.
Flagler's looking pretty awesome so far.
Florida Welcome Center. Go ahead, Jaren. Just in case I'm going to record it. Oh my gosh, you're too tall. He made it! Rest stop traversal complete. Our campground right there on the left, but we're pulling in over here first.
It's right there on that wall.
Yep. Hope you can hear me with the wind, but we got up yesterday in Myrtle Beach, traveled all day, and now we're here. We're at Flagler Beach, which is just north of Daytona Beach, and we are staying at Campbell Rogers. There's our camper right there in the background. Beautiful beach. We're gonna go check it out a little bit more. So there's the beach campground. It's the campground, the river side. Then if you camp there, you can park here next to the restrooms, which are not air conditioned, but you do have access to the beach. Not a bad spot at all. It's gated when you first come in, so it's good security at night. Just a small little campground on the beach. So what do you think?
Really cool.
Because we're right there. Watched you come the whole way down. What are you looking at? He's hurt. He does not have an eyeball. We're at Flagler Beach. The kids are out playing in the water. This is a very nice beach. Where we're at, which is about 3 miles south of the Flagler Beach pier. Not a lot of people around us. So if you stay in the campground, at a pretty nice beach. Café des Basement. That was cool. Quick look around. That's your water. We got the splitter for the hose for rinsing your feet. Very important at the beach. We actually have 50 amp service here. And this is an overlook to the beach. Okay, there's some pretty classic buses here. Check out the paint job. And there's another one. Are there two? Just use the shower houses. They're pretty nice, except that they're not air conditioned. So if they were air conditioned, I'd put them in my top 3. But because they're not, I have to put them behind Disney, and Fort Clinch are still my top 2. But there's Michaela. She's done. Gonna go get her. Very unassuming looking building with great food. High tides at Snack Jack. It's a good menu. An even better view. Blackened mahi salmon. Got coconut shrimp. Let's not forget the fish tacos. Proof that we were up early for the sunrise, even with clouds. We got our sunrise, people! Those are sea turtle tracks. Come up here, dig a hole, lay their eggs. And this is apparently a popular area. So it's a bit of a cloudy, windy day for our last day at Flagler Beach, which we are staying at Gamble Rogers Recreational Area. It's a very nice park. It's very small. Water and electric only. It's been a fun time. We are ending on the 4th of July. So tonight we're going to go see some fireworks. They launch them from the Flagler Beach pier. It is a madhouse of people up there, so we're just going to go out to the beach and see them. It's about 3 miles away, but we should still have a pretty good view. So we'll check out the fireworks, end our night, and then pack up and hit the road tomorrow. We will be going to Disney's Fort Wilderness Resort and Campground. So always a fun yet expensive leg of the trip. So we will see you next time.
Ray, look! It's Ray! Come on, your way!
Happy 4th of July.